Take stock of your language skills, understanding idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of idioms, specifically focusing on the phrase, take stock of. Idioms can be tricky, but they are essential in understanding and speaking English fluently. So, let's get started. The phrase, take stock of, is an idiom that means to carefully assess or evaluate a situation, person, or oneself. Originally from the world of business, where taking stock meant counting inventory, this phrase has found a broader use in everyday language. It involves taking a moment to reflect and make informed decisions based on the current state of affairs. Let's look at some examples to understand how take stock of is used in real-life conversations. 1. Personal reflection. After her recent health scare, Maria took stock of her lifestyle and decided to exercise more. 2. Business assessment. At the end of each fiscal year, companies take stock of their financial performance. 3. Reevaluating relationships. Jim took stock of his friendships and realized he needed to spend more time with positive people. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to describe a thoughtful evaluation of different aspects of life. When learning idioms, it's easy to get confused. Here are some common mistakes to avoid with take stock of. Don't use it as a literal term for counting items. Remember, it's about evaluating, not just observing. Be aware of the context. It's usually used for serious or meaningful assessments. And that's a wrap on take stock of. Remember, idioms are a window into the culture of a language. By understanding and using them correctly, you can greatly enhance your English communication skills. I hope this video helps you in your language learning journey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.